What's up guys, this is my sports videographer setup for 2023. Let's get into it. I've shot a lot of sports highlights over the years. That includes highlights and game footage. So I've been using this Sony a7 III for everything. It's a great run and gun camera, even though it's about 5-6 years old on the market. It still holds and can get the job done. It's not terrible in low light. It's definitely not an a7S III or FX3 by any means. Unfortunately, it only shoots 4K 24. With the 1080, you can get up to 120 frames per second to slow down your footage, which is pretty nice. So Sony, if you're watching this, please send me something new, like an a7S III, FX3, anything like that, I will gladly take. As for lenses, I heavily rely on the Sony G Master Gen 1 7200. This thing's really sharp, and it goes down to 2.8, so you get that nice blurry bokeh in the background. My other kit lens is the Sigma 2470. This thing is arguably just as good as the G Master. It's very sharp, and it also has that 2.8 aperture for nice blurry backgrounds. I'm a big fan of that, even though it doesn't have in-body stabilization. My most recent pickup is the Sony G 20mm 1.8. This thing is a steal for the price. I do want to get more primes as I move forward, just because they have a nice, unique look that kit lenses don't really give. For audio, I mainly use this Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. It's just a shotgun mic that you throw on top of your camera. Courtesy of the people over at Splice House, I have the DJI mics, which you can just throw on anyone during an interview and get some clean audio. I'm actually wearing one right now for this video. And that pretty much wraps things up for this one. You guys can follow me on Instagram or find me anywhere else at Seth Cianfoni. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You can DM me on Instagram. I don't know how to end this video, but I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.